Sit back, relax and enjoy. We are in episode 5 of Rugby Training Intense program, which is RSIT program. So today we are going to shoot episode number 5, which is going to be 6 sets of supersets of rugby forward. So we are going to shoot our first workout, which is explosive power workout. So our first workout is raw strength. So in raw strength we are performing our bench press, and the second one is farmer work. So how we will perform, I will show the demonstration. So firstly you have to retract your scapula, shoulders, and again your lumbar area. So the lumbar area you have to make a bow position and just do the bench press. Okay. So the posture will be, we will use the thumbless grip. And again, so guys, sets and reps are mentioned in the PDF. You can see PDF in the description and download it from there. Sets and reps you can exactly follow from the PDF. Now again, that superset of raw strength is farmer work. So how to do farmer walk? You have to just walk. That will train your mostly that is for your strengthening your forearms, and again that will target your trapezius muscle too. So in this workout you have to take the heaviest dumbbell in your gym according to individual's strength. That is the main goal, and you have to walk away in the gym. Just walk away. Again, you have to perform back to back. Sets and reps are mentioned in the PDF. You can check out and download it from there. So again, our second workout is pull-ups and Jefferson curl. So how we will do, you can check me out in this video. So sets and reps are mentioned in the PDF. You can check out the description and download it from there. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Do not forget. You have to use the thumbnail. So after performing the pull-ups, you have to, this is the superset. So superset means back-to-back exercise without any rest. After completion of one set, you have to take the 90 seconds of rest. And again, to perform Jefferson curl, you have to take a kettlebell, either a weight. You can take medicine ball too, and either you can use dumbbells. So how you have to perform? Just you have to stand up, and this is like a open deadlift. So to perform Jefferson curl, what you have to do, let's say like deadlift, from the height you have to take a thing which is height, either a bench or like this, which I am standing. It's a box which most of the gyms there is not available this type of equipment. Either you can jump from the bench or you can use this, and you have to do this fall. This is a bit advanced exercise. Sets and reps are mentioned in the PDF. You can check out in the description and download it from there. And make sure to subscribe us on our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further quality updates. So the third superset of raw strength is hang clean, and another is plus is hollow hold. So all we have to do is doing this superset is back-to-back exercise without any rest. In hollow holds, what you have to do is you have to contract your abdomen. Plus, what will have that you have to breathe in and breathe out. That will make it more intense enough for hollow holds. For again, what you have to do is check out the PDF down below in the description. Make sure to download it from there. Okay, so we will move to our next superset. That is total of 6 supersets. So we have to perform our next superset. So our next fourth superset is CT squats, and that is the crab walk. So superset means no rest between the workout, and after performing one set you have to do 90 seconds of rest. So all we have to do is that will next superset is CT squats, and again that is the that is the crab walk. So I had performed the crab walk. Now the superset second workout is our CT squat. CT squat is not another kind of a squat. It is just a simple squat. So in simple squat, how we have to do? I tell the posture and the form I will perform. So as I tell you in my episode number 2, you can check out in the iCards, or you can go to the channel and see the video how to perform the correct squat. And again I will doing it. So again, these both are the superset. So after you can check out the sets and reps are mentioned in the PDF. Go to the description and download the PDF from there. So in supersets, there are mentioned some of the new kind of exercise. So this is only same to same. So what you have to do, the last superset is of this workout is you have to jump on. So how you have to jump? Just take the squat position, just back. Target your quads more than, and this is kind of skipping that will help you for the mobility too. And thanks guys, this is the end of the episode number 5. Again we will start the next workout of the RSIT program. Sit back, relax.